What's up, y'all? My name is Chris, and today I am going to be teaching y'all the horizontal behind the back pass, and this looks like this from the back. It's a very quick move that you can just tie into your flow. And the prerequisite you're going to want for this trick is a horizontal figure 8 spinning away from your body, and on the second beat, when your palm is facing up on your back, with your other hand, palm facing up, receive the Flowstar and continue into a horizontal figure 8 coming towards your body. So to show that, that's 1, 2, and then you're receiving it. And I'll come behind y'all. This is from behind. Again, 1, 2. 1, 2. Just practice that movement over and over again. You can loop it. This is a drill that I like to do. You just pass it from hand to hand, going in, away, in, away, in, away. So that's the basics of this trick. Some variations that I like to do are you don't have to catch it with your other hand. What you do is you flick it, looks really cool, and you're gonna be flicking it on the third beat. So instead of the second beat, you're going 1, 2, 3. So on that third one right there. I'll show y'all from behind. 1, 2, 3. There it is. And yeah, that's the basis of the horizontal behind the back pass / flick. And you can really just tie it into your flow. You can get really snazzy with it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a blessed day.